Guys, have you ever had one of these people where they like their drink so much that they're practically making out with it? You know, I'll show you what I mean. Don't look at me. I'm at my lowest state in my life, but I have my drink to keep me alive. Without this thing right here, I don't know how I would live. It's kept me alive forever. Yes, it has. But normally, people just drink their drinks like this. That's how I'm meant to be drunk. So, how was your day? Good. It's turned out pretty awkward. Could at least say something, you know. And finally, if any of you have watched How to Basic, this is how he drinks. That wasn't meant to happen. Well, there you have it, guys. The 3 different types of times people drink their drinks. Please like, comment, subscribe. I've been Aaron Octopus. Goodbye, my octopuses. See you in the next video. Later.